Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to copy some text or paragraphs directly from an image instead of retyping everything from scratch? Well, with optical character recognition technology, it has been easier to extract words from images and convert them to text. In this video, I will show you how to copy text from an image using a pre-installed and a third-party tool on your computer. Let's go. The first thing you can try is the pre-installed program on your computer, Microsoft's OneNote. To use it, you must first sign in to your Microsoft account. If you are already signed in, copy the image and paste it into OneNote. Right-click on the photo and choose the Copy Text from Picture option. The text in the image will be automatically copied to your clipboard. Now you can just paste into it whatever editor you want to use. Alternatively, you can also use another Microsoft program called PowerToys. Unlike OneNote, it is not pre-installed, so go to the Microsoft Store, then search for PowerToys and install it from there. PowerToys contains several set of Windows utilities that you can choose from. Once installed, you can immediately use each utility by pressing the appropriate key combination. To enable text to be extracted directly from images, go to the Text Extractor configuration page. Make sure the Enable Text Extractor option is checked. Then refer to the activation shortcut to learn which keys to press to use this utility. In this case, it's the combination of the Windows, Shift, and T keys. Once everything is set, open your image and press the Windows, Shift, and T keys simultaneously. Drag the pointer to highlight the specific section with text from the image and save it to the clipboard. After that, paste the copy text into your chosen editor. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.